the name of this place called?
Forgot. G'day guys, on my way this morning to catch up with Brett, and we're going to be doing a bit of camping this weekend. Bit of a spontaneous one for us. We actually don't know where we're going to be heading, so we've decided this morning that we're going to go south, so southwest region somewhere, but plenty of options. Stay tuned, we'll see where we end up and what we get up to.
So you cruise down here.
Yeah, there's a bit of beach four drive access just near the campground, which is pretty cool. So we're just sussing it out.
So we try to just flip around here.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Are we ever showing its power? Just go back.
I think I can make that.
That was fun though.
Yeah.
Alright mate, just arrived. What's your thoughts so far?
Beautiful, yeah. There's a few mosquitoes, so I'm getting the old bushman out.
But no, pleasantly surprised. So, I mean, it is Friday, but there's only a handful of people in the caravan site, which is pretty good. Come with a little table, fire pit, some nice bush setting, so that looks good. Birds absolutely everywhere. I think we have Brett the Birdman here. We've got a kookaburra, very relaxed, just chilling.
Just so you can get down to that one down there.
There we go.
In theory, this should go up.
We have fire. Pretty simple dinner tonight. Sort of steak and cheese and salad burgers. So got a bit of a fire going over there. So settling in for the evening. All right, Brett. We're at Belvidere campground.
Yep.
So a bit of a last minute trip. Sort of unplanned this morning. So we thought we were going to head north, and found out that we couldn't have a campfire in Moore River. So
Yep.
we went, we want a campfire. It's going to be cold tonight. So we went south, and yeah, ended up about an hour and a half south of Perth. So yeah, Belvidere, pretty good spot. Brett had a bit of fun on the beach in the Everest.
Yeah, it went well. I forgot to bring my tyre gauge, so we just guessed what the tyre, we just timed it with the, let 2 minutes of air out and see how it goes. So, but we didn't get stuck, so that was good.
We did see on one of the reviews on Wikicamps that there was a sausage stealing kookaburra, so I think we've seen him tonight. So.
And the lady gave the place a bad review because the kookaburra stole their sausage.
Anyway,
Pretty reasonable. There's a lot of birds here. If you like birds, this is the place to
It's
come.
a place to be. Apparently there's a lot of mosquitoes, but we've just put like spray on and we'll be
Yeah, not a
fine.
huge
So,
deal.
so there you go. As you can see, we've got a really cool fire going tonight, so we're going to stay nice and warm. But
We're all packed up, Brett.
Yeah.
Any final words?
I'd be glad to get away from the mosquitoes.
Yeah, there were a few
Give me a hard
mosquitoes.
time this morning.
Yeah, we did read that there were some mosquitoes around. Weren't too bad, but certainly around the toilet blocks there's plenty. So make sure you've got plenty of bug spray if you do plan to come down here.